Hey folks, if you are a grower of tree ferns like Wendy and I'm going to show you how to properly water the Dicksonia antarctica or any other tree fern you have. So this specimen here I planted 25 years ago, quarter of a century it's been in this alcove here in our garden on the north end of Salt Spring Island. So it consists of the trunk, the inner crown where the croziers emerge, which are giant fiddleheads, and the fronds. You can mist down the fronds if you want, I never bother. This is last year's fronds. I always water from the center of the tree fern. So I'm going to get up in here. I don't know if you can see me. I'll push these fronds out of the way. Take the hose, and I got it set on shower. And every day in the dry months, and it's very dry right now, I give it a good soaking, and it's like a wick. It'll soak right through that trunk, which consists of roots. This trunk is 6 feet tall, and I'm soaking it down right now. And I also water the trunk as well. I give it a good soaking in the dry weather, and it does respond well. When fertilizing the tree fern, you can also fertilize it from the center. That is the most frost tender part of a tree fern, is where the giant fiddleheads emerge. The hardiest part is the trunk, then the fronds. So first hardiest is trunk, fronds, and then the last and least hardiest is actually where the center crown is and the croziers emerge. So these will grow much bigger than this. They're very slow growing. And each year puts on at least 2 dozen new fronds will come out the center. They're already starting to push fiddleheads out now. So it is the last day of March today, and you can see how it's doing. It's been very dry. We've been away on the west coast at Tofino for a few days, and we haven't had much rain this month at all. So I'll grab the camera and I will give you a look at the trunk and the inner crown where the fronds emerge. So this is the Tasmanian Tree Fern. There's the trunk, and this is where the fronds are emerging. You can see them in there. Can you see that? Those are going to be coming out. They're actually a little slower this year because February was a yucky month here, but not cold enough here to cause any damage to our garden. All right, folks. Hope you learned something from that, and good luck with your tree fern. That is a Zone 9A plant, and we are in a Zone 9A, a northern Zone 9A garden here. All right. Thanks for watching. Cheers.